Hi everybody, we're finally back with another renovation update, and this time we are at Venture 36, and I can't wait to show you guys what we have going on here. And if you are new here, welcome. We do these videos about once a month, and we just let you know basically where your money's going. So this is going to be your update, and we can't wait to show you guys the progress along the way. And as you can see, we've already done some monumental progress on the exterior of this building. I don't know if you guys remember from the very first video, but the paint was pretty bad, pretty worn here. So that was the first thing we did. We went with this industrial color scheme because that's the feel that we're going for on the interior and the exterior here. And then the main base color is a medium gray color, and then we did the pops of white, along with that gorgeous rusty orange color on the very, very top. And those light fixtures are so beautiful, and when you look up at them, the color, that gold color of the interior just like brightens up the whole rusty orange color that we have on the top there, and they just like coincide so well together. I love the way it looks. Plus, when the lights are on at night, it kind of gives this golden glow color, just bounces off that light fixture, and so it looks super beautiful here. Then we are going to be replacing the doors as well. So they're not painted right now. All those security doors are going to get removed, and we are doing these gorgeous doors that have 6-pane glass windows in the very, very top. Again, that's going to let light into the unit, which we love to do anywhere that we can. And it's going to make a statement out here. So it'll look super gorgeous. Can't wait to see those get in. They're going to be painted a black color. So it's just going to stand out against the building. Again, match that light fixture, tie it all in together. And then in the pool area, what you can see right now, the street is right over here. There is just no privacy whatsoever in that pool area. So what we are doing is adding in some wood slats just on this end and wrapped around the sides just a little bit. So that'll create a nice private pool area, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't need the whole street seeing me in my bathing suit. So that'll be a nice little feature there. We are going to be painting the pool deck color. I'm not sure what color we're going to do just yet. I'm thinking a gray color, of course. And then the tables and chairs in there are in really great shape, so we're just going to paint those off. We're going to get new umbrellas in there, get some new patio furniture on this end, and it'll be a little oasis in there. Let's go check out inside of one of the units. Follow me. All right, we are inside of unit 107 at Venture on 36, and right now we're standing in the living room / dining room area, and as you can see, construction is well underway already. Behind me, you can see that the new drywall is going up for the new breakfast counter area. So originally there was kind of a little opening right here. It was very small. We originally wanted to kind of just blow this all out, but just like Venture 12, there's some freaking hidden plumbing in this wall right here. So fortunately we couldn't do that, but look at this opening now. It seriously makes such a big difference. We have the open flow between the kitchen and living room. When you're entertaining your guests, you want to be able to chat between the two. So we will have a breakfast counter here as well, so you can have the bar cabinet, high seats, and then tenants can choose, you know, between having a breakfast counter or a dining room. So it's good to give those options. Again, creating that open flow in here. And then this unit in particular does already have new cabinets. So that was a huge selling feature with this project, is that about a third or half of the units have brand new cabinets already. So we get to keep these, and in the older units that aren't renovated, of course, we'll be doing the new cabinets in those, but this is a great feature and it's already in the perfect layout. And that is the case with the appliances as well. Most of them are pretty new and in really great shape, so we get to keep most of them. Some of the dishwashers are pretty old, so we'll swap those out, and over time as they get replaced, we'll probably do stainless steel as we just need to replace them. So that's always a great option to spread some expenses over time while you're cash flowing. But with this added wall here now, I have the potential of doing these really cool shelves that I wanted to do. They're very industrial, and they will reach all the way down to the countertop, and you'll just have exposed shelving right here, which I am very excited about potentially doing. My other option would be to do some floating shelves over on this wall instead. So I'm gonna play with some ideas on that, and don't worry, I'll get back to you on it. And then flooring is going, obviously, because this tile is absolutely heinous, but let's go check out the bedroom. So So in this bedroom right here, you can see there are some changes with basically drywall. We just added a couple walls in here. This was the closet, this is the washer dryer, and this is the vanity. And this was all open before. There was a wall here for the closet, but I like a washer dryer to have its own kind of special cubby and its own space, and then you can have your separate vanity. So I like the idea of having these two separated, so that's why we created these extra walls in here. And then the other big change that's happening is replacing all of these windows. They were a mix of vinyl, aluminum, and wood frame windows, so just kind of all over the place. They just needed to go. So we are doing windows that have black frames on the outside, and then they'll be white on the inside. So that'll be a huge pop on the outside, just tying that industrial look we have going on out there. And then finally, my favorite part of this design, which I have not actually done before, is going to be some paint. You guys know I love a good paint job, but we are going to be doing the doors, trim, baseboards, and walls all in one color, and it's not white. That color is going to be very, very light gray. Again, going way into that industrial look. We're gonna keep the ceilings white just for a little more contrast. We want the ceilings to look taller and keep that brightness going in here, but the rest of it is all gonna be one tone. Again, that's gonna be easier for maintenance over time if it's all just one color, one sheen. Super easy after a tenant vacates to touch that up. But that does wrap up the update for the interiors at Venture 36, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye.